Come on, turn the. Okay, Mom will turn the light on.
Wow! Oh my gosh! Where did they come from? That's a lot of little people. I know, Shipley, you got toys.
Whoa.
I know that's the car. Well, that's a mama. How you ever gonna put it back in that little space? Can I get in the car? Yeah, what's that?
Mm-hmm.
Where'd that come from? It's a wagon for the baby. You can put stuff in there. It's all yours. Mom, this is what you call overdone. And that was mostly Daddy.
Are you gonna get in the car?
Hey, Simone. Simone. She does not care. Simone. 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 Hey. What am I doing? What am I doing? What am I doing? What is that? What is this? You want to ride with me? You want to ride on it? Here. You want to try? You push your feet right here. And turn it. I think maybe a little too little. Turn the wheel. Ooh, and it goes, see how it goes? You do it? Turn the wheel. Yeah. You want to see the other stuff too. I don't think I can fit on it with you, but I will certainly try. We meet the weight limit, but that's about it. Say hey, Daddy. Hey, Daddy. What do you think? You want to drive? You want to go see your other stuff, huh? What's that over there? Here, I'll take you to it. Come on, let's go. I'm a getter. I'm a getter. Whee, I'm coming. I'm coming. I'm coming. I'm coming. Wow. That's another one for you. I know. What about this? You know what this is? You can vacuum. You put it up? Yeah, there's where you go. There you go. You want to get on it again? You want to get on it with Mama?
Yeah.
You want to get on your own, huh? You should make Daddy get on it.